Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the scanner, and I'm going to create you the scanner for a charting a stock which opens above the CPR resistance one on the first 15 minutes. So why we are going to create the scanner and how it is useful for an intraday trading. So we can find out a trend reversal after the gap up. So that is what the main logic. So the stock which opened by the gap up, and there is a trend reversal also in the highest level. So it was giving you such a trend reversal. So how to find out such a kind of stocks by using a charting scanner, that I'm going to create you in this video. And most of the time, so we need to check that CPR relationship also, that is also working better for this strategy. So not only the stock opened above R1 of CPR resistance 1, and it should be open above and maybe closed below that level. So we will be getting very few number of stock, but it is opened above. So maybe here if you find out any price rejection, there should be the huge chances the trend reversal, and it can come to the CPR level. So that is what the main logic which I'm going to apply in this, and how we can find out such a kind of scanner by using a charting. So let me go to the charting and try to create such a kind of scanner here. And this is what is charting dashboard, and I'm going to go for a create a scanner. So this is what a custom indicator which is not available on the charting. So we need to create that first custom indicator, and after creating the custom indicator, we can use that for a very simple coding. So or else we need to create a very big coding and some of that indicator which is not available on charting. Okay, so I have already created, it's one of the video about regarding CPR indicators. So simply we are going to take an open price, and that must be a greater than. So we are going to check the stock opened above and the CPR resistance. So that is what an important CPR resistance one. So we are going to use a 15 minutes time frame. So let me go to check, and it's about not a latest, it should be the 1 day ago CPR. So we have some stocks like Idea, iBull Housing Finance, Sun TV, lot of stocks. Let me check Idea first. It is a low value stock, and we'll go to check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it is opened above the level, that means R1. So this is R1, R2, R3, R4 like that for in CPR. There is a different level in a Camarilla. So the R1 level on yesterday is about 8.1, and the market which started near about on the same level. So maybe it's showing you greater than, open is greater than that level which we are looking for. And the second stock is about India Housing Finance and Sun TV. iBull Housing Finance is the stock which forming as such a pattern. That is also open. Yeah, exactly. It is opened above R2. Even it is open, the open is here, and it was R1, R2, R3, and R4. It is opened above R1 and R2. But what is our condition? We are given the conditions to get the stock which opened above R1. So that's also be okay. And check from some other stocks randomly. We can go for Bajaj Finance, the last one, and Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finance, I think this was not, it was started here in the support level. Why it is showing you? Okay, so why, yeah, right. So we are using a 15 minutes open. So that means a 15 minutes open greater than, that's a current candle. You can see the current candle. So we need to fix that in the first 15 minutes candle. So you can use a equal to 15 minutes open. That would be greater than. So this is what a latest candle. Okay. So if you are mentioning the equal, it will be not repaint, and it is this is the scanner for full day. So okay. So if you are going for a back test also, it will be showing you full day. iBull and Bharat Electrical. So iBull already we discussed and we seen that was a right entry, and in this case instead of reversal, it was keep moving higher. Okay, so trending higher, we are expecting some reversal, it is keep moving higher, no problem. So we will look at that first 15 minutes candle low. If it is broken, So we can expect the market will came down to the CPR level. In this case, it is not broken. So let me go for a BEL. So Bharat Electronics. And here in this case, this is also opened above the CPR R1. Above even it is R2. But in this case, we are giving a, so say for example, if I am using a 15 minutes low to break, and I am expecting that will came to the CPR level, maybe the CPR level, and from that level it came and even it is going towards the S1. But initially we are looking for this risk is high, very big. So we need to find out very smaller riskier candle if it is find out, and it will be useful for an intraday opportunity. So let me save this to find out a backtest. Okay, so if I'm saving this, we'll be getting backtest. You can see yesterday lot of stocks BEL, Infosys, MFSL. Yesterday also BEL, it is showing you BEL, large cap 915 24th. Not about yesterday 24th. Yeah, I think it is showing you wrong. And the level on yesterday is about to 136.10. On daily time frame, yesterday's open is around 133 and 35.5. Why it is showing you wrong? Yesterday's 15 minutes. We check some other stocks. Infosys, MFSL. Infosys is right. MFSL. That's also be right. Okay, this is the condition. So it is opened. It was not opened below, even though it is opened above to the R3 level. So we are expecting some reversal if it is breaks below the low, but the stop loss is not broken, but still it is not reaching to the pivot level also. So if the stop loss is very big, simply avoid such a kind of stocks. Okay, so that also we can fix it. The Entertainment, Reliance. Let me check that Reliance. Yeah, just look at this, and but it's showing you some wrong thing. Why it is not showing the right one? So maybe it is not opened above the R1. Why it is some of the stocks is not showing you exactly right? And this is the 24th, right? 24th 950. The first candle open greater than 1 day ago CPR rejection. That's right. But here not showing you the right one. So what happened? But today's level is exactly right. Data. Let me check Wipro. Yeah, Wipro is right. Some of the stocks may be showing you wrong. So we will correct. But this is the right code in weekend. So this is one which we are looking for. Such a kind of trade. Very smaller, riskier trade at the top. Okay. And here the low is broken. And we are expecting that one. So and also we can use some of the conditions if the stock opens above the level and the same time the pivot CPR pivot, the latest CPR pivot must be less than, that means 1 day ago. 1 day ago CPR pivot must be less than 2 days ago. So we are expecting that down CPR when it starts with this day. So even we filtered MFSL, Coromandel, Wipro. Sorry, MFSL, Ibul, Nakuri. So let me check that Ibul first of all. 24th. Here it's showing you some. I think in trading view, sometimes the data is showing you wrong. Yeah, here it is right, and opened above we are mentioning R1, but it is not showing you. We need to check that Bajaj Finserv. Check that. That's okay. That's right. And lower CPR Bajaj Finserv, it is opened above to the R1. So some of the stocks data is not showing you right, but this is what a correct code, and we will check for a live update also. And if it is a positive move, we can use a greater than. So if we are using greater than, we have some stocks and backtest data also be changed. In lot of stocks it's greater than BEL, Infosys, and this stock is not showing a right thing. So Infosys, if you are looking at and 24, that's right, Infosys it is opened greater than, and the CPR value also we are mentioning, and for a positive move after the gap of opening. But if the CPR is lower than the previous one, we are expecting the trend reversal. That is also we can add. For we are looking for a trend reversal at this point, so simply we can use the CPR level, and even we can use the BC and TC also. It's a less than BC and TC. That would be even better. So let me check 23rd Cipla Torrent Pharma Balakrishna Index. 23rd Cipla. That's right, na? 23rd. It was opened above the R1 in Balakrishna. Yeah, here it's showing you some not right value. Okay, 23rd and something like Torrent Pharma. That's okay, right? So why it is scheme in Balakrishna Industries? So let me go for Balakrishna Industries. So 15 minutes open is 2398. Daily open on this day 2395. 15 minutes is showing you sometimes this is a data issue. In this open is 2398.05. Okay, that level of resistance is around the 23rd is around 2399. So it's not opened above. Be daily time frame 23rd. Some data. Okay, so we need to check this. 23rd 395. So we need to check this, and but this is the right code for the CPR R1, that level which we are used for. Opened above the R1 and maybe expecting a trend reversal. Same like that we can expect on a downside open below R1 also we can create with this code, and we need to check this in a live market maybe if tomorrow. So you need to use latest here, latest CPR, and it should be a 1-day CPR. If you are using this would be for tomorrow. So live market you need to use it in a live market. If you are using in a after market, it will be showing you wrong data. Okay, so because almost 36 stocks is not right, because CPR level is calculated based on the previous day open, high, low, close values. Okay, so we need a previous day. That is what, for example, if a live market, if I'm applying this, it will calculate yesterday's high, low, close, and it will plot the levels. If you are using after market hours, today's open maybe greater than maybe next day level it calculate. That's why we are always using 1-day ago level. Okay, this is the right code, and we can try for a open double resistance, and this should be a live market update. We need to check with the live market. I hope you understood the concept, and this is the video which I made for one of my student request, and this is the scanner which you can use it. Thank you for watching this, and if you like this video, hit your like button and share to your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any other questions and doubts, just comment on the comments. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much.